These are the things you're gonna need today, guys, to make your own water tank out of barrel. As you can see, you got the buckhead, the 3/4 buckhead. You have your nozzle, your two nozzles to shut the water on and off. And then you have your adapter, your 3/4 adapter that'll fit in this hole. And then also you got to get your 1.5 inch majigger. You know what I mean? You get it, man. Get your Milwaukee, man. You know, yeah. How it's gonna look, guys. So, right there. What you need? Teamwork make the dream work, man. My brother came through and saved the day. All right, YouTube. As you can see, the hole perfectly clipped. Yes, sir. So what you want to do is take a flathead or something to scrape around it, or anything to scrape, get the unnecessary pieces for it. And remember, guys, because I'm going to put a filter on here, so my filter didn't come in yet today, so I'm just showing you how to get it out the way, the basic real quick, guys. What I'm going to do now is, guys, is take your thing. It's on me, right? And remember, guys, it's a reverse lock, so you gotta turn it this way. You gotta take the rubber seal off, guys. And remember, the rubber seal goes back on there once this is back through the hole. Once we fish this through the hole, you'll see what I'm talking about, guys. See, guys, as you can see, I'm dropping this in there like this, right? Well, I'm gonna drop that through there right now. Feel my screen when it goes down in there a little farther. I'll be able to grab my screen. So it's right there. Take my finger right here, guys. As you can see, guys. Oh, you can see right here, bro? You got it? Yes. Okay, yes, sir. See, guys, I have a problem here. Okay, guys. Once you fish this net thing all the way. Okay, guys. Once you finish pushing the buckhead through. Once you finish pushing the buckhead through, guys, you want to take the gasket. And make sure it's all the way out. The neck is all the way out. You want to take the gasket now. Make sure you keep your hand in the inside because you don't want it to, trust me. And after you take your hand off the fin right now, all the rest should lock in so perfectly fine. After I lock this in real quick, sir. Lock this in real quick. So what I want to do, I'm gonna put some lock mates on. Cause I see for some reason, some odd reason, I always want to just. I know you ain't supposed to be doing this, but it is what it is. On plastic. Okay. I'm gonna say so. The left way, tighten it up, guys. Take these big ones right here. As you can see, guys, I'm gonna put the this tape around it. It's not tape, but it's got the name of it, guys. So if you know the name of this right here, guys, in the comment, uh, just comment down below if you know the name for it. I don't totally forgot just that quick. So, no leaks, guys. Trust and believe that. No leaks, shouted. You want to be no leaks, shouted. No. remember, guys, this is plastic, so you don't want to hand it down too tight. Because you don't want to break it. Trust and believe that, sir. Trust me, sir, you don't want to break it, sir. You want to take your hose adapter. You don't want to screw that on there. Not to screw that on there, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, man, who did it?
Daddy, it's there.
Who?
Daddy, it's there.
They over there? All right, guys. As you can see, guys, we got the new washers on it. We got the new adapters on there. So now, guys, this is the water test. All right, Kiana.
Yes.
So I'm gonna have my daughter come take the water hose and fill it up. As you can see. Look, let me show you some, guys. That one works. That one works. So if you want to save money, guys, come holler at me, man. I can build you a barrel, man.